In 1755, on October 1st at 10 o'clock in the morning, something very devastating happened to the most wealthy city in the world. A lot of people don't realize that Lisbon, at that time, was the most wealthy city in the world. There were 1,000 merchant ships a year came off the Atlantic into the port of Lisbon. 1,000. You know how many ships that is? That's 3 a day, loaded with cargo. The Portuguese monarch, who was very much like Nero, he wasn't sadistic, but all he wanted to do was play and go to church.